Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Python programming. This session is about Python MCQs. The first question is, who invented Python language? The options are James Gosling, Dennis Ritchie, Guido van Rossum, John Strostrop. James Gosling invented Java, Dennis Ritchie invented C language, John Strostrop invented C++. So the option is option number 3, which is Guido van Rossum. Which of the following is invalid? If you look at these options, there are different kinds of variable declarations, underscore a, underscore underscore a, underscore a, underscore. All are valid, so none of them are invalid. Which of the following is invalid? There is a tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are doing different kinds of operations. If you look at the option 1, we are printing tuple, absolutely valid. Printing maximum element of tuple, that is also valid. Look at option number 4, printing size of the tuple, that is also valid. But look at the option number 3, we are trying to change the value in index 2. Since the tuples are immutable, we can't do this. So the invalid operation is option number 3. Which symbol is used for float division? There are some operators are here. Option 1 is division, option 2 is modulus division, option 4 is exclusive OR, and option 3 is the float division operator, 2 slashes. How it is different from the normal division is, division gives coefficient value along with a fraction. That means if I divide 5 with 2, I will get 2.5. But if I divide 5 float division operator 2 slashes with 2, the answer will be 2. What is that is actually the fraction part is truncated and the least value will be given as the answer. So if the answer is 2.9, the result will be 2 only. If it is 2.6, 2 only. 2.1, 2 only. So the fraction part is truncated. Okay, only the integer part is given as the result. So that is the float division. What is self in Python? We know that Python is an object-oriented programming which follows classes and objects. So inside a class, we can have so many methods or instance methods. The first parameter of any instance method is self. What do we use to start a new block? We know that C, C++, they use braces to start a new block. But in Python, we follow the indentation, or we use the indentation to create a new block. Which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Okay, so there are so many keywords here. Try is used in exception handling. In is a member selection operator. We check whether the given value is inside the list or not. Def is used to create a function. So the odd man out is val. So answer is 4. What is the output of 3 exclusive OR with 4? So exclusive OR means if the input values are different, the result will be 1. If the input values are same, the value will be 0. So 3 means 00, 11. 4 means 0, 1, 00. So when you perform exclusive OR, that will give 0, 111, which is nothing but 7. So 7 is the answer. Option number 2. Which is the correct operator for power function? Power function will raise a value. If there is x star star n, x to the power of n will be the notation. So we use star star to represent a power function. So option 3 is the answer. We have taken a list D with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are printing D with a slicing 1 colon minus 1. So from index 1, that is number 2 to the minus 1 means last but one value. So 2 and 3 will be printed. 1 and 4 will be skipped. So option is 3. What is the real world entity is known as? The real world entity is known as object, which is used to create an empty set. First option is braces, which is used to create a dictionary. Second one is square bracket, which is used to create a list. Third one is a parenthesis, which is used to create a tuple. And the fourth one, set function, built-in function, which is used to create an empty set. So option 4 is the answer. Printing of square root of 36. We know that square root of 36 is 6. But look at the options. There are 3 6's here, 6, 6.0 and minus 6. Square root function always gives a float value as a result. So option 3 is the answer, 6.0. So here there are two variables, A, B. A is having 5 in single quotes, B is having 6 in single quotes. Both are strings. So when you use plus between two strings, that is concatenation operation. So 5 and 6 will be not added, they will be concatenated. That means 6 will be placed next to the 5. So the answer is 5 6. Why does the name of local variable start with an underscore discouraged? That means when you're creating a variables, we don't encourage to name it as underscore some name. Why? Because when a name is of a variable is start with underscore, it indicates a private variable of a class. So we don't encourage such kind of a naming. Okay, look at this. There is a set A with elements 5, 6, 7, and we try to add an element which is already in the set, that is 5. And what happens? Since the set doesn't allow duplicate elements, so adding 5 doesn't change anything. That means it doesn't add extra 5 because already 5 is there. So the result is 5, 6, 7. Pov x comma y evaluated as x will be taken as base value, y will be taken as exponent, that is a x to the power of y. So that is x star star y is the below notation is invalid complex number. So what is that is 2 plus 3i is invalid. Okay, so if you look at this as per mathematics, this is absolutely right because the complex numbers can be written as x plus yi or x plus iy. But in Python, we don't use I. Instead of I, we have to use J. So as per Python, 2 plus 3i is invalid. What is type of INF? INF stands for infinity, which is a float value in Python. We have taken a list and we have assigned the initial value as swec. So with list method, we are converting a string into the list. So how that will be printed? It will print the list by separating every character inside the string as a separate element in a list. If you look at this, there are two operations. One is compound assignment and another one is tuple assignment. X equals to y equals to z, and the values are 10, minus 5 spec. So each variable will get these three values. So x also gets 10 minus 5 spec, y also get 10 minus 5 spec, z also get 10 minus 5 spec. So when you print x, y, z, so all the three tuples will be printed. Decorator function can be identified with which symbol? So we know that in classes there will be decorator functions like class methods and static methods. They use @ symbol to start their definition. So @ symbol is the answer. There are two lists, list 1 1 2 3 4, list 2 2 3 4 5. If you look at that, first list and second list are having common elements 2 3 4. But when I concatenate, since list allows duplicates elements, so all the values will be concatenated. So without eliminating duplicates. So that's the answer. What is the use of ID function? ID function will give you the identity of an object, that is an address of an object in hexadecimal form. So it returns identity of an object. List 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are printing starting from 0 to length of the list, and the step value is 2. That means every alternate element will be printed. So 1, 3, 5, 7 will be printed. There is a method called say, and it is having two parameters, message and times, and times is a default parameters because it's already having a default value 1. So look at the function called say hello. So here only we are passing one parameter, that is hello. The second parameter times is not passed. So it takes a default value 1. So it prints hello one time, because message into star times means one time message will be printed. But look at the second function call world 5. So message is world and times is taking new value 5 by overwriting 1. So world will be printed 5 times. So the answer is hello one time, world will be 5 times. Yeah, that's it, my friends. This is about Python MCQs. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.